205 CSI. 1. Leaving grid in main menu.
Is your HiSense Roku TV constantly talking or reading everything on the screen out loud? That's the screen reader, also known as audio guide. Don't worry, here's how to quickly turn it off or on in 2 ways, using settings or a remote shortcut. To turn off voice narration, first lower the volume or mute your TV, because the voice can be pretty distracting while you're trying to fix this. Now, press the Home button on your remote and go to Settings. Scroll down and open Accessibility. Inside, you'll find Screen Reader. Select it. Just switch it off, and the voice will stop immediately. There's also a quick shortcut. Just press the asterisk or star button on your remote 4 times in a row. That will instantly turn the screen reader on or off. And after turn up the volume, you can use your TV peacefully. Actually, this feature is mainly designed to help visually impaired users, so if you don't need it, you can turn it off. And that's it. If this helped, stay with Fix369 for more quick tech tips.